Welcome back to our channel, where we're zooming into the latest smartphone showdown, the OnePlus 12R versus its predecessor, the OnePlus 11R. Let's unravel what makes the 12R a potential game-changer in the world of smartphones. First off, the display. The OnePlus 12R is gearing up to sport a 1.5K OLED display. But here's the twist. It's not just about the resolution. The screen is expected to have a peak brightness of a whopping 3000 nits. Imagine turning up the brightness and still getting crisp, clear visuals without any glare, even under direct sunlight. That's a significant leap from the 11R and a boon for anyone who loves streaming videos or playing games on the go. Next, let's focus on the lens of the camera upgrades. The OnePlus 12R is rumored to be switching out the 11R's 8MP ultra-wide camera for a powerful 32MP IMX709 telephoto lens. This means your photography game just got a major boost. Imagine capturing distant subjects with 2x optical zoom without losing any detail. That's not all. The 50MP primary rear camera stays, ensuring your regular shots are still top-notch in quality. Processing power is where the OnePlus 12R shines. Rumors are abuzz about the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. This powerhouse processor is all about delivering a seamless, lag-free experience, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or just browsing. Combined with faster LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, the 12R promises to handle everything you throw at it with ease. This means less waiting and more doing. For gamers and power users, the OnePlus 12R is expected to feature an advanced VC cooling system. This is crucial for marathon gaming sessions or heavy-duty app usage, keeping the device cool and maintaining optimal performance without any thermal throttling. Battery life gets a significant bump in the 12R with a proposed 5500 mAh battery, coupled with 100 WR fast charging. That translates to longer hours of usage without the constant need to recharge, and when you do need to plug in, it won't be for long. Software-wise, the OnePlus 12R is set to run on the latest Oxygen OS 14, based on Android 14. This means a more intuitive interface, enhanced security features, and a plethora of new functionalities that promise to elevate your user experience. The build quality leaps forward with the 12R opting for a metal frame over the 11R's plastic. This not only adds to the premium feel, but also enhances the durability of the phone. Color-wise, the OnePlus 12R is expected to introduce a new range of color options, adding a touch of personal style and flair to the device. From the classic black to potentially vibrant and unique new shades, there's likely to be a color to suit everyone's taste. In terms of pricing, the OnePlus 12R is expected to see a slight increase from the 11R's price point. While the exact figures are still under wraps, rumors suggest that it might start at just under Rs. 50,000. This is a small price to pay considering the plethora of upgrades it brings to the table. So mark your calendars for January 23, 2024, and get ready for the OnePlus 12R launch. So there you have it, the OnePlus 12R, a smartphone that's shaping up to be a powerhouse in its own right. Do you think it's worth the upgrade? Let us know in the comments below if you're as excited as we are. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy, my friends.